Hi, I'm James McMillen. I'm going to talk about Amazon QuickSight, which is a cloud-based BI service to create data visualizations and insights on your data. Some of the advantages is that it's very scalable, can scale up to 10,000 plus users very easily, can access multitudes of different data sources, and you can embed and create dashboards into various different types of applications. In order to use QuickSight, you obviously need to have data. QuickSight can use any of the databases that are within the AWS console, the RDS, and then the non-SQL sources. It can also access data in S3 bucket. For this project, I chose to use an RDS database, and I set up a database instance called Final Project, which is a MariaDB instance. And what I found with setting this up and using it with QuickSight is that the data had to be publicly accessible and had to have a security group that was set up with inbound and outbound rules that had CIDR blocks basically open to the world. Once that was set up, I created tables over in the MariaDB instance that have daily stock prices for some of the top cloud vendors, Google, Amazon, IBM, and Microsoft. And then once that data is all set up, I can go back over to Amazon Services, type in QuickSight, and once you launch QuickSight, it will take you out of the AWS console because you have to have your own account set up within QuickSight in order to use it. Now, QuickSight will recognize that you have an RDS instance already set up, and I can choose that instance. Just give it, data new, a name. I'm going to choose that final project. It has to be a public network. And then I can put in my username and my password. And I can create access to the data source. It's going to ask me which table I want to use to start with, and I'm going to choose Amazon. And then it will ask me if I want to use access to the Spice technology. With Spice is a tool that Amazon has created to speed up access to the data for visualization purposes. I click Visualize, and it will take me to the visualization screen, and I'm ready to build a visualization. I can add in Amazon price growth to the visualization, and then add in the date field, and I quickly have a visualization that looks at Amazon stock price over time. But what I really wanted to do was compare different stock prices for different cloud vendors. So I go back to my data, and I'm going to add in a couple other data sources. I'm going to add in Google, IBM, and Microsoft. And then I'm going to join these with an inner join. And it's actually very quick to use QuickSight's tool to add in and join different data tables together. So once I've joined these tables together, I can save and visualize. It will take me back to my visualization page. Now all the data from those other sources, from those other tables are there, and I can add those into my price, or into my visualization. I can add in Google. I can go down and add in Microsoft, and I can add in IBM. And now I have a visualization that has those 4 cloud vendors and their stock price growth over time. I can share this visualization by publishing the dashboard and just call it a new dashboard out, whatever I want to publish it as, hit publish. And I can share it with users that are in my within my QuickSight group, and this is one of them, and I can just hit share. And then once it's shared, I can go over to my email, and I will get an email from QuickSight saying that I have a visualization that's been shared with me. I can click to view, and it will take me to the view page for that visualization, and that visualization is there, and it's kind of interactive. You can kind of see that you can move about the page. Now I could have changed the title, I could have changed where the legend location was, but I was building this very, very quickly. But you can see how you can very quickly and very easily build a visualization using your data and have access to different data sources within Amazon. I hope you enjoyed this quick overview of QuickSight, and thank you for watching.